Kubor nakaslem jong Nohsynñiang Hima.
Ka Riti Academy of Visual Arts mentakasngi ka khat art tarik naila 100% kelasam khusnam shaki Ngut ki bayo jing itho na jing tebet jongki ba jing Nohsynñiang jongki haki kam ba pher kabal penlong haraj bhawan Shillong yakini ki Ngut le Pynkup Burom do ulat gajila UCH Vijaya Shankar ubulong kumukongsan katba uba FR khar kongor ubadai principal secretary katnat arts and culture ulalong kumusembut kongsan kini ki Ngut kilong uba rangket box C do krut ubala Nohsynñiang ha jing tho poetry khasi dagba penkala na kaktian nongwei shaktian khasi bat ubadairu ubajuno Nohsynñiang hakban pene pensa ya kamariang nangta u doctor me ban lampang lingdo ubala Nohsynñiang hakaliang kajingwat banya bantep ya kaput katem tenrai khasi bat jong ka Meghalaya baro ka wei udairu ubapendap ya ka PhD hakadoi tara uba kermenlang yuria ulasha Pynkup Burom halor kajing Nohsynñiang jungu hakam tho khubor ubaju shakri hakiba bon ki kam haka Imlang ka Sahlang bat ubadairu Nohsynñiang kam sengjam kum Nohsynñiang bat habiju kapor u chief executive editor ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly channel bat ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council channel uba kermen ulapen skam bandon kajing bom Nohsynñiang hakaliang ka rukom pathai khubor uba ram kenjin ulasha Pynkup Burom halor kajing Nohsynñiang jungu hakaliang ka rukom o shrong ni o dur hakirukom ba pher kamtam hagarukom penwandur ki jingriu spa ka culture u khasi kabala khringi ki pajba halor garukom trikam bat ka sap bakar pang jongu uba riki pol ulasha Pynkup Burom halor ka jing tibet jongu hakaban edit nishna penwandur ki aka hak cinema uba riki udai ubala pas ka graduate hak digital media na Saint Joseph College Bangalore bat ubala treiru hapo ka karkhana penmi film ka Hollywood French cinema bat kumjuru hapo Bollywood uba riki ulayo ka jingaro halor ka jingshna penwandur kum ya ka Musafa The Lion King Pray Ant Man and the Wasps bat kiwe
in their native language. A poet, a translator, and an environmentalist, Ngut landmark 2021 poetry collection Ramaya Jambapur introduced Khasi readers to a redefined blend of free verse, haiku, and tanka, bridging Khasi sensibilities with global poetic traditions. His contribution have earned academic recognition and inspired new critical discourse at institutions like Northeastern Hill University. A featured poet at the Sahitya Academy's Festival of Letters 2025, he has also represented Khasi literature on platforms such as Speak Your Roots.
Not just on the name of my daughter, it was also on few luminaries contemporary with which I have met them. Like, for example, we have Pritpal Singh Lali. He was a very eminent artist, not just in India. I mean, he's actually elsewhere in the world. So his work is being, displayed in many prominent galleries throughout the world. So his family are here. I wish to honor him on their behalf. Next, we have Barana Kharkongor. Barana Kharkongor, one of the versatile singer, performer, and a composer of Khasi folk lyrics. He's also one of the prominent singers that we have here. So another award also is in his team. His daughter here.
Yeah, not come.
Daughter. Somewhere he was multifaceted personality in terms of arts and culture. So he was also a governing member of Sahitya Academy. So his family members also here. His son. Then we have Basmar Singh Sawen. He's another versatile cultural exponent that we have here. Unfortunately, recently one of his relative passed away, so from their family they couldn't come. Then we have this theatre artist. She has participated in all. Actually, my other daughter also was there. We are all together participating in this. Our play was nominated in the first International Indigenous Theatre Festival in Dhaka, Bangladesh. So we were all part of that. So at this juncture, I am very pleased that you are here gracing this occasion, sir, and all the dignitaries and all those family partners of whose institute are being, whose award is being instituted, and to ladies and gentlemen. I'm very grateful that you all are here. Such a beautiful gathering that we have here under the generous consideration of Your Excellency, sir, Dr. Sri Satya Paramari. So I just have a simple tribute to him at this moment, that there are significant incidents that has happened. It was the initiative of Principal Secretary to recommend my name as a state awardee. So the award, they call it a Trade 6M award. I was awarded in 2001 and I received it from Sir Satyapal. Then after that, more works is happening under his patronization, and I must say that just both of them, both Frederick and Dr. Tiwari, maybe they just perform their own duties in the government, but for us artist community, it has been a tremendous contribution to further our activities in terms of visual arts and other cultural activities. Thank you very much, sir, for Dr. Tiwari for all this. I'm very thankful. And I remember one thing that Mr. Satyapal Singh was saying is, we tell Frederick that Riti Academy have been spearheaded in terms of promoting arts in the region, in the city, in the state. But he was very astonished that we operated everything from our rented space, which Frederick also has been there. So that very moment he was astonished and he was asking government that Riti Academy is entitled to get government properties to further this. So this is one thing that really they are always there in my mind, and I have always tried to persuade and tell whoever the concerned official to see to it that whatever he say will one day come in place. Nevertheless, despite all that, we continue to work passionately, dedicatedly, and we have done so many work under the patronage of these two gentlemen, Frederick and Dr. Tiwari, and other from the government. And recently, sir, we have erected one statue of our 24 feet, and perhaps this will be the tallest in the state. It's located in Riewtbit village in East Kassel, about 40-50 kilometers from here. So that way we continue to do whatever we can in terms of promoting art in the state, and even taking our artworks elsewhere. We have been to Bangladesh, we have been to Nepal, we have been to Thailand, we have been to so many places to to focus the art of the region of the state. So these are the two things that we.
Sir? Once sir? Thank you, sir. For the finest chair. Please. Salute, sir. Thank you, sir. All the best. God bless you. One more, India. Awardee. Oh, please. Hello, sir. Yes. Hello, sir. Ready? Once more, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Please, madam, all the best. God bless you.
Let us all give him a round of applause.
You have to be very careful because his subject is journalism. Come. Please. Ready, sir? Look, sir. Thank you, sir. What is your age? 39. Oh, this says so much of achievements. God bless you. Please come. Sir, look, sir. Ready? Once more, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes. God bless you. Out of 5, 1 is from Bangalore. 5 awardees. At least 1 is from Bangalore. Gentlemen, all the best. 1 is from Bangalore in the sense from my native. Please. You have so much of pride. Please. Salute, sir. Ready? Once more, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now I would like to request all the award winners.
Ready? Once more, sir. Thank you, sir. I myself, I feel everyone were away, nothing is permanent here, including we people. Nothing is permanent. And what is permanent? Riti award is permanent. Our achievement is permanent. What we contribute to the family, to the society, to the nation, that is permanent. Our achievement, dedication, sacrifice, that is permanent. Other than that, nothing is permanent. And second thing, after seeing this child, I feel that not only this baby, this child, every child is asset of the family, to their families. Not only asset to the family, this kind of personalities or this kind of personalities, asset to the society. Not only asset to the society, but all asset to the nation. Asset to the nation. So ultimately, you have to be the asset of the nation. Asset of the nation. So, the name of this baby, you have taken very good decision. You have taken very good decision. That too, this award should be given in the name of governor, Whoever governor may be here, but all the times an opportunity to remember this baby in the Rajbhavan. And award given in the name of this child. It's really wonderful. You are a standing example to the rest of the others. No one should not lose their children in the middle. But if at all something is going to happen, by that time, what is the responsibility of the parents? How they should take it positively. So you are the standing example for that. Of course, death, again, that baby cannot come back. But whatever the decision you've taken positively, ultimately an academy you are able to form. And many of the dignitaries, many of the scholars, many of the well-known personalities, you are able to identify and bring them here, honor them in the name of their child. It's really wonderful. Really wonderful. This message should go to our rest of the other parents also. How they should they think of their children, and if at all their life, how should they live? If at all something is going to happen, how their parents should take that issue in their lifetime. I'm really very happy, very happy, and really I'm very thankful to Mr. Wajri. You see, achievement, if at all you mind, it is beyond imagination, I tell you. A girl at the age of 20, she had come here just 15 days back along with her parents. 20 years girl, a small baby, she is able to climb Mount Everest. When I used to read probably 8th standard or 9th standard, probably I may not remember, anybody is able to climb Mount Everest, so that is only Tenzing. We used to read like that. But now the baby belongs to Meghalaya. At the age of 20, she is able to climb the Mount Everest. Can we imagine? Can we imagine? In the sense, there is no limit. There is no limit to achieve anything in our field. In our field. So we decide to honor that baby on August 15. 14th night, they are the special guest in Rajbhavan. We are going to treat that baby and parents of that baby. They are the guests. We are going to honor them. So 14th night, they are coming here. They are going to stay in Rajbhavan. And 15th, we are going to honor them. And one boy, he don't have 2 legs. He participated in the national and international games. Ultimately, he had come to we people. If at all you are able to give spring legs, one or the other day, I am going to participate in the Olympics. I bring good name to the Meghalaya. Ultimately, we decided 9 lakhs 75,000 rupees it is worth. That we are going to do it on 15th of August. You see, any child, if at all we feel it is going to be a asset of this society, not only the responsibility of like Waziri, it is all our responsibility. It is all our responsibility to promote, morally support. Ultimately, that achievement, Waziri achievement, it is not only Meghalaya. Whole nation appreciates, Whole nation appreciates. So you all belongs to their cadre only. Really, I congratulate to all of you people and your achievement, your background. I am so proud to listen. I am so happy to listen. Again, we can meet some other times. Some of the very good artists have come here. Some of the very good poets, they had come here. Really, the way how you are going to select some of the personalities in the name of this academy, that's also wonderful. That's also going to be a standing example to the rest of the other academies. Again, I wish all the best to everybody. Again, we can meet some of the other times. And these awardees, Mr. Tiwari, you invite them as a special guest, including Mr. Waziri. You invite them as a special guest on 15th of August. On that day only, whatever the amount that has been announced now, you hand over that check to them on that day. It is so nice of you. All the best. Thank you so much.